Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Etrade account. First, navigate to the official Etrade website or launch their mobile application. Once there, locate the Log On or Sign In button, typically found in the upper right corner. Carefully input your user ID and password into the provided fields. If you remember these credentials, you should gain immediate access to your account dashboard. This is the quickest way to view your investments and manage your portfolio. If you've forgotten your user ID, simply click the Forgot User ID link on the login page. You'll be prompted to enter some personal details to confirm your identity. Similarly, if your password has slipped your mind, select the Forgot Password option. This will guide you through a secure process to create a new password. Etrade prioritizes your security, so be prepared to answer verification questions or receive a code to your registered device. Should you encounter persistent issues, contacting Etrade customer support is your next best step. You can find their phone number on the Contact Us section of their website. Before calling, gather any relevant personal information and details about your account to expedite the process. Clearly explain that you are trying to locate or access your account, and they will guide you through the necessary steps to regain access to your investments. Once you've successfully accessed your account, consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This adds a second verification step, like a code sent to your phone, making your account much safer. Also, make it a habit to regularly review your account statements for any unusual activity. And hey, if you're looking to deepen your understanding of personal finance, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching, and remember to secure your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.